Hey players, so once again a federal judge has used Frumpy Dump's own words against him, honey, finding that Elon Musk likely acted unconstitutionally in shuttering USAID, and he has ordered them to rehire all of those employees that they fired. Grab your tea, have a seat, let's talk about it. So according to reporting, a federal judge ruled today that Elon Musk's non-governmental agency DOGE likely exercised unconstitutional authority in multiple ways in dismantling the U.S. Agency for International Development. The judge ruled in favor of 26 current and former USAID workers seeking to delay a premature final shutdown of the agency while litigation continues. His order requires that Elon Musk's non-governmental agency DOGE reinstate the email and system access to the current USAID employees and blocks DOGE personnel from taking any actions relating to the agency without express permission of USAID official with legal authority. Now, as we all know, honey, Frumpy to the motherfucking dump, and the White House tried to decree and declare that Elon Musk was just his senior advisor. He's not employed at DOGE, and he has absolutely nothing to do with DOGE. He's just an advisor to Frumpy to the motherfucking dump. Well, baby, the judge said hell to the no, and actually marked the first time that a judge has ruled that Elon Musk is likely exercising enough independent authority to require him to be confirmed by the Senate under the Constitution's Appointments Clause. The judge said, and I quote, "The record of his activities to date establishes that his role has been and will continue to be as the leader of DOGE with the same duties and degree of continuity as if he was formerly in that position." The judge then went on to reject Frumpy Dump's administration's argument that Elon Musk is not a DOGE administrator and is instead merely a senior advisor to the president who has no independent authority. Baby, the judge said, I call cap. The judge went on to say that if a president could escape the Appointments Clause scrutiny by having advisors go beyond the traditional role of White House advisors to communicate the president's priorities to agency heads and instead exercise significant authority throughout the federal government so as to bypass duly appointed officers, the Appointments Clause would be reduced to nothing more than a technical formality, and that is not how it's designed. Now, of course, the Crackerjack Frumpy Dump administration want to talk about the rogue judges, honey, and how they're bringing in their partisan ideologies. However, honey, they're just acting within the scope of the law, something that the Frumpy Dump administration cannot, will not, has not, and will ever do. I declare, honey, it's a disgrace. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. I'm pretty sure that the Frumpy Dump administration is not going to comply with the judge's order. Like I said, honey, if they could just go around here and disobey court orders willy-nilly, go ahead and give people their student loan forgiveness and stop messing around. That's what President Biden wanted to do anyway, and the only thing stopping it is a judge's order. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mo for Black Accurate News.